welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to understand how to automate lead capture from Instagram ads to Google Sheets. So as a business owner, my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically all the lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add the Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets. This helps you track every lead in one place and keeps your sales team organized and ready to follow up. So here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically that lead detail should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a test lead in my Instagram lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me all take you to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here you can see the lead ad form that I've already pre-filled with some details such as service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. So I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now here to generating the test lead, let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the name, email, phone number, service interest, best time to contact, and the company name. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Instagram lead ad with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So here to access the Pably Connect, you need to search for pably.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pably Connect. So this is the homepage of Pably Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pably community. So this is the Pably community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so let's move back to our Pably Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pably Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pably Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Automate Lead Capture from Instagram Ads to Google Sheets. And now here to giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select the folder as Google Sheets. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pably's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So now here I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. But here before moving forward, let me all tell you that I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account that I've already created with the name Digital Dynamics. And here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this account with Pabbly Connect as well. So I'm going to build the connection, and then I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account that I've already connected with my Instagram account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select that particular page. So I'm going to search for the page. And now here after selecting the page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So for that, let me all take you to the Meta Business Suite. And from here, I'm going to select all tools. And here under all tools, I'm going to select instant forms. And here under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created over here. You can create the lead ad form as per your need. So in this particular case, I'm going to use a form that is named as new form. So I'm going to select my lead gen form as new form. And here I've selected the single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our lead ads testing tool by Meta once again. So for that, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. And here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And it says your lead has been deleted. So I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. And here in our lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page again with the name Digital Dynamics and my form as new form. And then I'm going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead ad form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a form submission. So for the service interest, I'm going to select website design. Best time to contact is evening. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblitudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here for the company name, I'm going to enter the name as XYZ company. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received all the details of our lead form. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add a new row. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it's asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Instagram Leads. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Instagram Leads. And then I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And then here it's asking me to enter the name, email, phone number, service interest, best time to contact, and the company name. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive new lead through our Instagram lead lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name of the lead first, and then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number. Here I'm going to map the service and trust. Here I'm going to map the best time to contact. And lastly, I'm going to map the company name. Now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail over here in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the name, email, phone number, service interest, best time to contact, and the company name. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Instagram lead ads and action as Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically the lead detail is going to be added over here in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automate lead capture from Instagram ads to Google Sheets. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.